In the heart of Carolina, a beautiful transformation is underway. What once were ordinary gardens and parks are now bursting with vibrant colors, thanks to the rapid spread of geraniums. These stunning flowers have taken root, not only in home gardens, but across parks and natural landscapes, creating a sea of breathtaking beauty. In this video, we're going to explore how geraniums have become such a prominent feature in Carolina. We'll take a look at their history, the different types you'll find here, and why they seem to thrive so well in this region. From brilliant reds to soft pinks and purples, these flowers are more than just eye-catching. They've woven themselves into the very fabric of Carolina's outdoor spaces. But with their rapid spread comes a question: are geraniums a gift to the environment, or are they becoming a bit too much to handle? We'll examine how this flower affects the local ecosystem and discuss both the beauty and potential challenges of having them in such abundance. If you're a gardening enthusiast, a landscaper, or just someone who loves the natural beauty of Carolina, this series is for you. Over the next several episodes, we'll dive deeper into why geraniums have made such an impact, how you can use them in your own garden, and what it takes to manage these blooms effectively. So, stay with us as we begin our journey through the world of geraniums, flowers that are changing the face of Carolina's landscapes. Become a favorite in gardens and landscapes across Carolina, and for good reason. Whether you're a home gardener or a professional landscaper, geraniums offer so many benefits that make them stand out among other plants. First and foremost, their versatility is unmatched. Geraniums can thrive in a wide variety of conditions, from full sun to partial shade, making them perfect for all kinds of settings. Whether you're looking to fill a sunny flower bed or create a shady border, geraniums have you covered. Another reason for their popularity is their continuous blooms. Many varieties, especially zonal geraniums, flower consistently throughout the growing season. Their vibrant colors, from reds to pinks and purples, create a stunning display that lasts for months, bringing constant beauty to any space. Gardeners also love geraniums because they're low maintenance. They don't require frequent watering or constant attention to thrive. In fact, once established, they're relatively drought-tolerant, making them an excellent choice for those looking for plants that are both beautiful and easy to care for. In addition to their resilience, geraniums are great for container gardening. Whether in hanging baskets, window boxes, or pots, geraniums can brighten up patios, balconies, and entryways. Their compact size and ability to flourish in containers make them an ideal choice for smaller spaces. Lastly, geraniums can even help with pest control. Many gardeners plant scented leaf geraniums around their vegetables or other delicate plants because the aroma naturally repels certain pests, like mosquitoes and aphids. It's easy to see why geraniums have earned their spot as a go-to plant for gardeners and landscapers alike. They combine beauty, resilience, and versatility in one stunning package. In our next episode, we'll dive deeper into how geraniums grow and why they're thriving so well in Carolina's environment. Stay with us. One of the most fascinating things about geraniums is how they've spread across the landscapes of Carolina. In this video, we'll look at their unique growth patterns and explore why they've become so prolific in this region. Geraniums are known for being incredibly adaptable. Whether in full sunlight or partial shade, these plants have shown an amazing ability to thrive. Carolina's climate, with its warm temperatures and moderate humidity, provides the perfect conditions for geraniums to grow rapidly. Many geranium varieties also have fast-growing root systems, which allow them to establish themselves quickly once planted. This rapid growth means they can fill flower beds, gardens, and even natural landscapes in a short amount of time. Their low maintenance needs also contribute to their ability to proliferate without much human intervention. Another key to their success is that geraniums can be easily propagated. Whether from seeds, cuttings, or even just dividing plants, they reproduce with ease. This makes them a favorite for both gardeners and landscapers who are looking to fill large spaces with beautiful, vibrant blooms. However, with this rapid spread comes a potential downside. In some areas, geraniums have been known to outcompete native plants, creating a monoculture that can impact the local ecosystem. As we move forward in this series, we'll dive deeper into the ecological effects of geraniums, both the positives and the potential challenges. In the meantime, it's clear that geraniums have found a home in Carolina's landscapes. Their growth patterns are a testament to their resilience and beauty as they continue to thrive in this rich environment. In the next episode, we'll explore their impact on the local ecosystem, including both the benefits and the concerns they bring. Stay tuned. For our local landscapes. Stay with us as we continue to explore the journey of geraniums in Carolina. Geraniums have undoubtedly brought beauty and color to Carolina's landscapes, but their rapid proliferation raises a key question: are they a blessing or a curse? On one hand, geraniums provide significant benefits to gardeners, landscapers, and even the environment. Their hardiness and low maintenance make them a popular choice for home gardens, where they can thrive with little effort. They offer vibrant, long-lasting blooms that bring a fresh burst of color to any space. Additionally, their ability to attract pollinators, like bees and butterflies, supports the local ecosystem, making them a valuable ally in biodiversity. However, on the flip side, the same traits that make geraniums easy to grow can lead to problems when they spread unchecked. In some areas, geraniums are considered invasive, competing with native plants for resources. Their resilience and fast-growing nature allow them to dominate landscapes, reducing biodiversity by crowding out other plants. This can disrupt the delicate balance of local ecosystems and alter the natural plant diversity that supports various forms of wildlife. The debate around geraniums is complex. Some see them as a welcome addition, bringing beauty and utility to gardens and landscapes. Others view their rapid spread as a threat to native species and ecosystems. The truth may lie somewhere in the middle, where responsible cultivation and management are key. In the next episode, we'll share some practical tips for managing geraniums in your garden to ensure they remain a blessing, not a burden. Stay with us as we continue to explore the fascinating journey of geraniums across Carolina. Geraniums are known for being low maintenance, but with a little extra care, you can keep them blooming beautifully all season long. In this video, we'll share some practical tips for maintaining healthy and vibrant geraniums in your garden. First, let's talk about watering. Geraniums prefer well-drained soil and don't like to sit in water. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's important to let the soil dry out a bit between watering. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Next, we have deadheading. Removing spent blooms not only keeps your plants looking tidy, but also encourages new growth and more flowers. Simply pinch or snip off the old blooms at the stem to make room for fresh blossoms. Fertilizing is another key to keeping your geraniums thriving. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season. This provides the nutrients they need to produce those vibrant blooms. Pruning is also important, especially for zonal and ivy-leaf geraniums. Cutting back leggy growth will promote bushier, more compact plants. You can do this in early spring or after the first flush of blooms to keep your geraniums looking their best. If you're growing geraniums in containers, don't forget to repot them occasionally. As their roots grow, they can become crowded in small pots. Repotting your geraniums every year or two gives them more room to grow and keeps them healthy. Lastly, watch out for pests and diseases. While geraniums are generally hardy, they can occasionally fall prey to aphids, spider mites, or fungal infections. Regularly inspect your plants and treat any issues early to keep your geraniums in top shape. With these simple maintenance tips, your geraniums will continue to thrive, adding beauty and color to your garden throughout the season. In our next episode, we'll explore how to effectively incorporate geraniums into your landscaping projects. Stay tuned. As we look ahead, it's clear that geraniums will continue to be a major presence in Carolina's gardens and landscapes. But what does the future hold for these vibrant blooms? In this video, we'll explore some of the emerging trends and predictions for the role of geraniums in Carolina. One exciting trend is the increasing use of drought-tolerant varieties. As concerns about water conservation grow, gardeners and landscapers are focusing on plants that require less water. Certain species of geraniums, such as the scented leaf varieties, are more drought-resistant, making them a popular choice for sustainable gardening. Another trend is the use of geraniums in eco-friendly landscaping. With their ability to attract pollinators and prevent soil erosion, geraniums are becoming an essential part of environmentally conscious gardening. Many homeowners and professionals are incorporating them into gardens designed to support local wildlife and promote biodiversity. The future will also likely see an expansion of new hybrid varieties. Breeders are continuously developing geraniums with enhanced colors, longer blooming periods, and improved resistance to pests and diseases. These advancements will keep geraniums relevant and in demand for years to come. In terms of landscaping design, geraniums are expected to play a bigger role in urban and small space gardening. Their compact size and adaptability make them perfect for container gardens, rooftop gardens, and urban environments where space is limited. We can expect to see more creative uses of geraniums in vertical gardens, patios, and urban green spaces. Finally, as interest in native plants continues to grow, there may be an increased focus on managing the spread of geraniums to ensure they don't outcompete local species. Gardeners and landscapers are finding ways to balance the beauty and benefits of geraniums with the need to preserve Carolina's native plant life. In our final episode, we'll answer some of your frequently asked questions and reflect on everything we've learned about geraniums. Stay with us for the conclusion of this series. We've come to the end of our journey exploring the fascinating world of geraniums in Carolina. Over the past episodes, we've learned about their spread, their unique characteristics, their impact on local ecosystems, and how to maintain them in your own garden. Now, let's wrap up by answering some of your frequently asked questions and reflecting on everything we've covered. One common question we get is, how often should I water my geraniums? Geraniums thrive in well-drained soil, so it's important to let the soil dry out slightly between waterings. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so be mindful of the moisture levels. Another popular question, what's the best way to keep my geraniums blooming? The secret is regular deadheading. Removing spent blooms encourages the plant to produce more flowers. Also, be sure to fertilize every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season to keep your geraniums looking their best. People also ask, can geraniums grow indoors? Yes, geraniums can grow indoors as long as they get plenty of sunlight. A bright windowsill is perfect. Just make sure they're not overwatered and that they have proper drainage. Now, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. Geraniums are an incredibly versatile and resilient plant. Whether used in borders, containers, or large landscape designs, they add vibrant color and texture to any garden. They attract pollinators, prevent soil erosion, and can even thrive in urban environments and drought conditions. But as we discussed, their rapid spread can pose challenges if not managed properly. By understanding the balance between beauty and control, you can ensure geraniums remain a positive addition to your garden without overwhelming other plants. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of geraniums. We hope you found inspiration and practical tips to use in your own garden. Stay tuned for more gardening insights in the future.